If you ever had to take a mixed number and write it as an improper fraction, there is a way to do that as well. What you're going to do is look at your whole number. So here our whole number is 3. Then you have to look at your denominator. Our denominator is 4. So we have to change the whole number 3 into an improper fraction with the denominator 4. So we can think of how to write 3 as a fraction. One thing we can do is take the fraction 4/4 and add it together 3 times. And this is equal to 3 because we know that every time we have a fraction with the same numerator and denominator, that's equal to 1 whole. So it ends up equaling 3 as a whole number. But instead of writing it as a whole number, we're going to write it as a fraction. So here we're going to add 4 plus 4 plus 4. So that would give us 12/4. So that's how we write the number 3 as a fraction with the denominator of 4. The next thing I have to do is include this fraction part of the mixed number. So the easiest way to do this is just to add it on to the improper fraction you just wrote. So we have 12/4 plus 1/4, which is 13/4. So if you had to write a mixed number as an improper fraction, you could do it this way. So 3 1/4 is the same as 13/4. Okay, let's do another example. This time we have 4 1/3, and I want to write it as an improper fraction. So I'm going to take the whole number and write it as a fraction and make sure that my fraction has the same denominator of 3. So I'm going to write 3/3 plus 3/3 plus 3/3 plus 3/3. I know this is equal to 4 because 3/3 is the same thing as 1 whole. So now I'm going to add my fractions together. 3, 6, 9, 12 thirds. But remember, I'm not finished. The next thing I need to do is add the fraction part of the mixed number to what I just found. So I'm going to do 12/3 plus 1/3, and I'm going to get 13/3 as an improper fraction. So 4 1/3 is the same as 13/3. I'm going to do one more example. This time we're going to change the mixed number 5 7/12 into an improper fraction. So first I'm going to take the whole number 5 and I'm going to write it as a fraction with a denominator of 12. So that way I can add it to this fraction part when I'm finished. So that means I'm going to add 12/12 5 times. And I can always double check my work by writing this out and making sure it's equal to 5. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And this is equal to 5, so I know that I did the correct amount of addition for these fractions. So now I'm going to add these together. We have 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. You could also think, what is 5 times 12? Because we're just seeing the number 12/12 5 times. So this is going to get me 60/12. Now the last thing I need to do is add the fraction part of this mixed number to 60/12. So I'm just going to do 60/12 plus 7/12 to find out what this is equal to. So 5 7/12 is the same as 67/12.